More Magnifico Magsayo, Eduardo Rocky Hernandez.
Finish him!
Matapos ang impresibong panalo ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo kontra Ecuadorian Brian Mercado via knockout, ay nagpahayag agad ng interes si kabayan na labanan ang current rank number 1 sa WBC Super Featherweight Division, ang Mexicanong si Eduardo Hernandez alias Rocky, para ito sa World Title Eliminator Fight. Di basta-bastang kalaban itong si Hernandez, dahil napakataas ang knockout percentage nito, may record itong 36 wins, 32 dito tinapos niya via knockout. Malakas at matibay, dagdag mo pa na isang Mexicano itong si Hernandez na kung saan kilala na matapang at di actress sa Santokan.
Що щойно було? Який потужний удар зліва і
Knockdown.
Kung sakaling matuloy nga ang laban ng dalawa ay paniguradong matinding Santokan talaga ang ating makikita. Parehong nasa prime, parehong malakas at matibay, at parehong uhaw sa panalo at titulo. Kaninong kamay kaya ang itatas at tatanghaling pinakamalakas kung sakaling mag-cruise ang kanilang landas? Bago ang salpukan ng dalawa, balikan muna natin ang pinakaunang Mexicano na tumikim sa lakas at tibay ni Mark Magsayo. Taong 2015 dumayo sa Pinas ang Mexicanong si Rafael Reyes, para labanan ang Noy undefeated prospect ng Pinas na si Magsayo. Ang laban ay para sa bakanteng IBF Youth Featherweight title.
Good fighter. Stalking Reyes. You have Magsayo. Oh, he wants to put on an impressive performance. Magsayo over 200 fights has an average combination by Reyes. Of Reyes opposite is jamming. Oh, beautiful. Winning it. Now he got into trouble with that overhand right. Getting cocky itong si Reyes. Magsayo, kick clock. Reyes coming again. Pero, good right, slow down. Oh, another right hand by Reyes. Magsayo. Ronnie. Oh, he got caught with the... Salamat sa Cebu. I love that place. The people there so excited. Bigyan na ba sila? And then a left hook. Good body shot by Cyrus. Reyes on back. Yan ang importante. Matapang ito si Reyes. But they got their exchanging uppercuts. Parehong malakas sa dalawang siguro. Body shots by MAGSAYO. A flurry of left hooks. And Reyes is smiling and comes back with the body shot. Foul with the left. Body shot. The previous round. Ay, Reyes. Malakas din yung mga perada ni Reyes. Sorry. Good right hand by Reyes. Nailing Magsayo. Magsayo again. Isabel ends the round. Magsayo in the black trunks. Magsayo appears to... It's not clear. Ayaw kaya ba isa? Panigan! We'll see later in the slow-mo. Hey! Very much in control, saying no low blow. And we have a rumble. On the front. Reyes says, let's get it on. The crowd. A slow-mo replay at the end of the round. Good right hand by Reyes. You know this guy's tough. Oh, buhay pa ito sa... Nagulang ito. Oh, 1-2 combination. Wala kay Reyes. Maxwell. Umuusok ang yun. Good right hand. Good right hand by Reyes. It takes too much. Money shots. Pinapulakan by MAGSAYO. Absolute bro. Dito. So, very sharp call for every right by Reyes. na sulit ang aksyon. Ayan. Oh, because they say, he's hitting with some great shot. Torres, Heavyweight Championship. Good luck kay Magsayo. Andres is watching it. Huli naman. Very right hand, rocking right hand in the black rock. Reyes comes back with the left and a right to the side of the head. Ang loob ito si Reyes, ha? Oo. Magandalakan ito. Ang bagat talaga. Beautiful left by Reyes. Reyes. Action so far. Medyo delikado. Oo. The corner needs some help, so he came in. Medyo lumalaki kay Rafael Reyes. Good contemplate. Si Magsayo, this is the first time he's really in a fight. Oo. Resiliency at dami mga katama ni Magsayo. But he keeps fighting back. This Mexican feeling ko, Magsayo wants to take some punches so he can give punches in return. That's not a good uppercut, but that's a dangerous tactic. Delikado. Don't worry about this guy, just concentrate on what you're trying to do. Another beautiful swing. Higo to Reyes. What a play. Oh, beautiful right hand. Reyes. Must go down. Oh, another cracking right hand. Reyes in trouble. Beautiful combination by Magnifico.